Welcome to 5420 West Belmont. We're entering this apartment in a new construction building, 3 floors, 12 apartments. We came in the entry and we're going to turn down the corner here and go to the living room, dining room, and kitchen. Nice spacious layout, beautifully done and decorated. We have out front a large balcony. Nice view from up here. As we go back inside, you can arrange this in many different ways. Some people will have the dining table here, others up a little further. Good room for a comfortable couch. Chairs at the bar. Great place for dinner. We have beautiful woodwork, 5-burner stove, microwave, of course, dishwasher, and side-by-side fridge and freezer. Very nicely done. So let's head back down to the rest of the apartment. On the left, the first door is the second bathroom. Beautiful tile work, nice cabinetry. And as we go down the hall, we're going to pass the entrance on the left here. And the next room on our left is the principal bedroom. Nice and spacious. Window. There'll be light coming in there soon because it's covered over. Large closet, as you can see. An attached bath with a double vanity. And a great shower. A little further down on the left here, we have the laundry. Just waiting for the doors to be put on. That's the exit to the parking at the back, which is included. And this is the second bedroom. As you can tell, a really great size. Nice light coming in. So that's 5420 West Belmont. We're actually in unit number 45183 East. Give us a call, 773-961-7962. We'd love to show it to you. Visit the building website, 5420belmont.com. Thank you for joining us and have a great day. We look forward to seeing you at the open house on Saturday between 11 and 1.